Hello, welcome to the XGCPA channel. Today, I want to share with you one of the latest and greatest change for S Corporation shareholder. So if you are a business owner and you run and own an S Corporation, you will want to follow this video. Please stay tuned. So today I want to talk to you about this new form, and the form is 7203. Now this form is a new form, and honestly the IRS has not really released the final version. So if you are filing your 1040 and you have to report earnings like a K1 from 1120S, most likely you cannot submit your tax return right now because this form is not finalized yet by the IRS. So what's the purpose of the form? The purpose of the form is for shareholders to disclose their stock and debt basis. Now, the good news and the bad news. The good news is if you have been tracking your basis, this form is really just, a disclosure of your basis. Now, the bad news is that if you have not been tracking your basis at all, then this would be the first year that you have to figure out what is your basis beginning of year and what's the basis at the end of the year. Now, because this is a new form, it is important for business owners to understand in what situation or circumstances will trigger the filing of 7203. So this is the website that you should refer to, but I'm going to give some of the guidance to you by going over what are the conditions that you will have to consider in filing your 7203 disclosure to the IRS. So the first thing is that if you're an S Corporation owner and you suffer losses and you are going to claim your fair share of losses by reporting those losses in your 1040, then you definitely have to file this form. Now, the second condition is that if you take out money from your S Corporation, we call that non-dividend distribution. If you do that, you also have to submit 7203 in order to finalize your 1040 tax return this year. Now, the third thing is that if you dispose or sell your stock, whether you have a gain or a loss, you will also have to disclose 7203. Last but not least, if you own an S Corporation and you borrow and lend some money to the S Corporation and the S Corporation is starting loan repayment back to you in year 2021, you would also have to disclose and file form 7203. So this is a video for today about the new rules, regulations, and the new form that the IRS will need S Corporation shareholder to submit. So if you are an S Corporation shareholder and you have not tracked basis, one important point is for you to maintain proper and accurate accounting system. That way you are able to generate accurate financial statements, accurate balance sheet, and accurate profit and loss. It is also important for an S Corporation shareholder to track all your contribution to the company and distribution back to you from your S Corporation. We understand that all these concepts and bases, especially stock or debt basis, can be confusing for some business owners. So if you ever need help, please reach out to us. If you have questions, you need someone to talk to, please don't forget, you can always call us at 832-295-3353. Otherwise, as usual, we will appreciate it very much if you will like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And we will see you next time with more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.